Guys, so I'm here. These are goats right there. See that? These are the goats. One. They're grazing. Guys, my father. We're going there on a forest walk. So let's go. Whoa, this is so confusing. Whoa. Maybe this place looks a little creepy, guys. And our legs start paining. We were doing a big journey. Guys, you know that? We saw bones. We saw animal bones while coming. And a deer horn. You know? The animal bones were there. We saw them. I guess that was a bear did it. Because we met a guy and he saw their base around here. So we have to stay alert, guys. And run, my brother too. So let's go. Whoa. So much creepy. Whoa, whoa. Oh, wait. Yeah. See my family members are going. So let's go, guys. Whoa. What? That was so creepy. Oh, that was close. This area is so hard to go, guys. Maybe there's something following us. Oh no. Stay safe. And here, guys. So we're in here. Let's go. So, guys, it's so creepy. Oh, we see something. My family see some things. So be alert. Let's go. I'm so freaking out, guys. Oh no, guys. We got a big open area. We are gonna do an picnic on there. So let's go. So guys, we are here. We're so happy. As and me. Oh God, I see a God there in a temple in the forest. Let's visit. So guys, we are in the forest of a temple. Let me show you. Guys, this is a temple in the middle of a forest. Seriously. Oh, see this? It's Lord Shiva's. I see it. See that? So this is a temple right there. Let's go pray to God. Come, let's go. So guys, pray to God. So this is so old, I guess. Like, yeah. See, guys, one of those things. This is so chill, guys. Oh, see there? And see, guys, we are in the soul. Let's go. There are two goats. So let's go. We can see the goats back. They came here. See the goats, master, brother, right there. Behind our God. Check this out. It's Lord Shiva. Yup. And let's pray. Yep. So, guys, let's go to the area right there. I'm showing you. Can you see, guys? And see, guys, the big area. We are going to do camping right there. So exciting, right? Let's go, guys. So last time I came here, I was bitten by a honeybee. See that scene here? Wait, I'll show you an amazing scenery, guys. Guys, see this scenery? Oh, it's so awesome. It's like, and see the dogs, a big house. The dogs are in the pool. This area is awesome. See how many butterflies. You will be freaking out. See, there's so many butterflies. Oh, I see one. See that? Oh yeah. Oh, this is the best spot I ever have visited. Guys, let's run about. Whoa! There's so many butterflies in here. This area is cool. So, guys, let's go. So, guys, I'm going to show you some butterflies. Check it out. There are butterflies sitting there. Oh, they're awesome. So cute, right? So, guys, this is awesome. So, guys, we are in here. Let's go front. So, guys, they're doing the hand pump. Let me help them. Let's go. So, guys, our video is over. So, stay home, stay safe. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe, comment our videos, and even click the bell icon for our latest uploads. Bye, guys. See you next time. Stay safe. Yo.